Kaitino kau kamiti ya barabara bunge ya kaunti ya Meru ni urichukua na ripoti ya waki barabara na mubango yo MTF. Boni nyuma ya MCA kutheta nende bakenda mubango yote yani doba kiwa yuri na wambu bubwingi na kinya yote ukinyaniria yora kwereri MCA kaitino kau ne bakwenda kumena rambe sira cia kombore matinka ya woka barabara cia kaunti cietre nonto MTF ne kaya kombore matinka ya Bredi Gregory ena ntoto yorengi.
Mechanical Trust Fund MTF ni murando jura jwa mbere ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru meri kenda mithiru kuthondeka barabara cia Meru meborabo kuma kaunti cia Kisii na Nyandarua na kunengera milioni magana ja mbeca iria ciarire kinya mbere ya murandi kwambiria no ende mutheja na arua mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru ni baugite murandi jo ni jutukite mucumari kiratune na kureta thina nkurukine kwithira gutengo geritikite
and be paid to MTF to the letter. That was the initial understanding which was told to us. As a matter of urgency, one, we know the money that was paid to Mechanical Trust Fund. Two, we get that agreement of the copy because the purpose of this assembly is oversight. We see that because, Mr. Speaker, in my opinion, we should forthwith stop this program, Mr. Speaker.
I think also government, chieftain government, MTF, chieftain Meru government, they have the equipment which they do not have. So up now, Mr. Speaker, we are frustrated.
The roads which have been done, Mr. Speaker, they have done either 1 kilometer, 2 kilometers from one wall to another. They have even created more mess than the one we were in, Mr. Speaker.
Nkulukine kumbukite kumirite anto mundu bangi 15 bara batonyerete murande jo naboneke na bakita nguge murande jo ntere mwanya na kinya MTF gutumira tinga cia thirikari ya kaunti ya Meru maragita ojara thirikari atumire ne cia mamire itumba kurita nguge bakiore ne kumbesha ukomborithia maragita cha kiri MTF cietire.
We have some 15 people in Meru County who after the launching, and we are told this is a project between the national government and the county governments, and there are no brokers, but as we speak, Mr. Speaker, we have 15 of them.
By the close of the year, I was the 300 million accounted for, and I asked Mr. Speaker, if you do not bring a supplementary budget to change or to locate this money that we are able to get as a result of MTF using our own machines, Mr. Speaker, then who pocketed that particular money, Mr. Speaker? Because that money has been paid, and if this money has not been paid, Mr. Speaker, it will be paid.
County government ya Meru keri iru embecha non tubo kombrero machines. Poja iri MTF neri na amwana mara mingi iri part of the agreement. Kagwacho okere kairi kutuka kwibange bakari wagatigate aja ujuka na ibao bagwita na mbecha hizi. Go program MTF egwete kabisa ndani ya county ya Meru. Wakwa mwanga ndia ward narua. Kuma njira rimwa ni MTF yere wekirwa maramu rojo auke na aru imeri etantatu itekirwa maramu
bejire ndene Meru auke matinga jira munyati yete ya milioni kurukia magana ya tano wambeje gutumira lakini mbechirie chionde chiothuranirwe nontu bwa gutumira matinga ya Meru mbeche chionde chikiri mikone ya rume na ndogwa kenya ko mbechiri tekiro mikone ya rume gukwa abati kuirwa supplementary budget
itukwenda Kenya investigation yechio nontu tractor ira cheire tutiro chiona ground cheire yo tractor inge cha county ira thirikari ya county ya Meru yugure itomba kurita ngwe na very expensive uchirani pandu no chicho komborero inge pandu ni MTF na ichi kurita ngwe ibuntu igwa kiuria kitukiuria atiri no ariro mbecha iu
ni mushona jura jura ni MC wa Mwangathia Julius Mbijewe speaker oria kamiti ya barabara kuleta ripoti ya MTF kira assembly mweri jojete mbunge yumarudaro mweri jumwe
supplementary itemenya kubua tutiambite kuriallocate mbecha ire itetumirekete ire ciakwirite gwita kiri MTF cyumba kuthige choka kuritira ngugi contractors na nyakenda tugwita recess no tuje special sitting no tubo kwa Andresi ntubo no tubo affect ntuba Meru njira ikarimwa mbura ekaura igeta na roje mbere nya simba kuthige kira mara
kuma mbunge ya kaunti ya Meru nkiripotera ntatashaweru bitamuri the